In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an H1 tag in your Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add the H1 heading. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, find the Embed Code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to view the complete list. Drag the embed code element onto your page where you want the H1 heading to appear. Click the element, then select Edit Custom HTML. Enter or paste your H1 HTML heading code with the text you want to use as the main page heading. This tells search engines that the text is the primary heading for the page and can help improve your page structure for SEO. Preview your website to make sure the heading displays correctly. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to create an H1 tag in your Weebly website. Thanks for watching.